Hello, everybody. Welcome to our Sunshine English Medium School online classes. Myself, your history teacher, the social science teacher, Pradeep Palaka, teaching you from E. Patsala, the NCERT book, chapter 1. So, today we will study in this lesson, chapter 1. The topic is what, where, how, and when. Okay, what these questions are. So student, what, where, how, and when. About what, about where, about how, about when. This all questions is about our past, the story of past, the history. So as we begin our this social study, the history part, okay, our past one. So we will learn specially in our beginning, the first chapter, about the history, what about the history, and where the things is happened, how it happened, and when all these things had happened. Okay, student. So before that, we see here is a Rashida. Okay, Rashida, a good girl like you, a student of standard 6. So Rashida, one day she was reading a newspaper, the small headline. So she started reading 100 years ago. See, 100 years ago means what? 100 years before. 100 years before, what happened? How everyone can know? How it is possible that we can know about the things happen before 100 years? It is something amazing, no, student? Something wonderful. Yes. So here you see. First, we can see what happened in yesterday. Okay. Easily we can know about from radio, television, or newspaper, whatever it may be. Okay, we watch television, we can say where, how, and when it happened. And if somebody asks about last year, what will tell? Then we have to think about the 100 years. Or last year, what happened? So we have to think a long. Okay, so what can we know about the past? There are several things we can find out. What people ate, the kind of clothes they wore, the houses in which they lived. We can find out about the lives of hunters, herders, farmers, rulers, merchant, priest, crafts, person, artists, musicians, and scientists. We can also find out about the games children played, the stories they heard, the plays they saw, the song they sung. Okay, so we can learn from all these people. Okay, student. ମୁଁ କ'ଣ କହୁଥିଲି କି ଆମେ ଯେଉଁ ଆମ ହିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିରେ ଚାପ୍ଟର 1 ପଢ଼ୁଛୁ, ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ କ'ଣ, ହ୍ୱେର୍ କେଉଁଠି, ହାଉ କିପରି, ଆଣ୍ଡ ହ୍ୱେନ୍ କେବେ. ନା ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ, କ'ଣ, କେଉଁଠି, କିପରି, କେବେ, ମାନେ କାହା ବିଷୟରେ ସବୁ ଆମେ ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛୁ. ଆମେ ଏହି ଲେସନ୍ରେ ବା ଆମର ଏଇ ସବଜେକ୍ଟରେ ଆମେ ଆମର ପାଷ୍ଟ, ଦ ଷ୍ଟୋରି ଅଫ୍ ପାଷ୍ଟ, जो ଅତୀତରେ ଯାହା ସବୁ ହେଇଥିଲା ନାଇଁ, ଇତିହାସ, ଯେଉଁ ହିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି, ଯେଉଁ ଜିନିଷ ହେଇଥିଲା, ଯାହା କିଛି ହେଇଥିଲା, ଆମେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଥିଲା, ଆଉ ସେ ଜିନିଷଟା କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା, କିପରି ହେଇଥିଲା, ଆଉ କେଉଁଠି ହେଇଥିଲା, ଏସବୁ ଆମେ ଏଇ ଲେସନ୍ରେ ଆମେ ବୁଝିବାକୁ ପାଇବା. ଆଉ ରସିଦା, ଏଠି ଦେଖୁଛୁ ଆମେ ଆମ ଭଳିଆ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡାର୍ଡ଼ 6ର ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ, ଏଠି ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ପେପରଟା ପଢ଼ୁଥିଲା, ସେଠି ମାର୍କ କଲା 100 years ago, ମାନେ 100 ବର୍ଷ ପୂର୍ବେ କ'ଣ ଏତେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ୱାଣ୍ଡେଡ୍ ସେ ଚକିତ ହେଲା ସେ ମାନେ ଭାବୁଛି କେମିତି ଲୋକେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଏତେ ମାନେ ବର୍ଷ ଶହ ବର୍ଷ ପୂର୍ବରୁ କ'ଣ ହେଇଥିଲା କେମିତି ଜାଣିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି। ତ ସିମ୍ପଲ୍ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ଆମେ କାଲି କ'ଣ ହେଲା ଆମେ କେମିତି ଜାଣିପାରୁଛୁ ହଁ ଆମେ ଦେଖିଥିବା ବା ମନେ ଥିବ ବା ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ପେପର୍ ଟେଲିଭିଜନ ରେଡ଼ିଓରୁ ଶୁଣିକରି ଆଉ ବର୍ଷ ପୂର୍ବରେ କେମିତି ହେଇଥିଲା ଆମେ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବା। ଆମେ ଆମ ପାଷ୍ଟ ଯେଉଁ କି ଶିକାରୀମାନେ ବା ଜଗୁଆଳୀମାନେ ଆଉ ଆମର କୃଷି କାମ କରିବା ଲୋକ ବେପାରୀ ବା ପୂଜା ପାଠ କରିବା ଲୋକ ଆଉ ଏମିତି ଆର୍ଟିଷ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟୁଜିସିଆନ୍ ଯେତିକି ଆମେ ସାଇଣ୍ଟିଷ୍ଟ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ ଆମେ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡ଼ାଏ ବିଷୟ ଆମେ ଆଦାୟ କରିପାରିବା। ଆଉ ଆମେ ଆଗରେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଥିଲା ଲୋକ କ'ଣ ଖାଉଥିଲେ କେମିତି ରହୁଥିଲେ କ'ଣ ପିନ୍ଧୁଥିଲେ କି ପ୍ରକାର ଘରେ ରହୁଥିଲେ ଏସବୁ ଆମେ ମାନେ ଦେଖିପାରିବା ଆଉ ଜାଣିପାରିବା ଆମ ପାଷ୍ଟରେ ଆମର ଅତୀତରେ କ'ଣ କ'ଣ ହୋଇଥିଲା। ଏଠି ଦେଖ where did people live? Find the river Narmada on map 1 page 2. Okay, so first of all we will go to map 1. See here student. Okay, it is a map. Okay student, so here you find where is the map Narmada. Can you see? Can you find? See student, the map Narmada is here. The river Narmada. See above. I am not touching this one. Okay, this one. Okay student, the Narmada river, this one. Okay, fine. So you have find the map Narmada in this map 1. So people have lived along the bank of this river for several 100,000 years. Some of the earliest people who lived here were skilled gatherers, that is people who gathered their food. They knew about the vast wealth of plant in the surrounding forest and collected root, fruits, other forest produce for their food. They also hunted animals. So now find the Suleiman and Kirathar hills to the northwest. Some of the area where women and men first began to grow crops such as wheat and barley about 8,000 years ago are located here. People also began rearing animals like sheep, goat, cattle and lived in villages. Locate the Garo first in northwest. Okay, Suleiman and Kirathar hills. North is upside, east is right side. Okay, west is left side. Okay student, so in these hills okay, so in these hills in 8,000 years before. Okay, so I want to divide. This is north part. Okay student, and this is northeast NE. Okay, these are northeast, understood. Then northwest, this part. Okay, so here in Suleiman and Kirathar hills 8,000 years ago they began to grow crops, what? Wheat and barley, and locate the Garo hills to the northeast, the Vindhyasin Central. I have shown you northeast, that is they in northwest even they people began to rearing animal like sheep, goat, cattle. and lived in villages. In Garo Hills, the northeast, these were some of the other areas where agriculture developed. The places where rice was first grown are to the north of the Vindhyas. Okay, student. So, trace the river Indus and its tributaries. So, Indus River, you know, this northwest, you can see the Indus River, this one, okay, in this part, this is Indus River. Okay, student. Here, about 4,700 years ago, some of the earliest cities flourished on the bank of these rivers. Later, about 2,500 years ago, cities developed on the bank of Ganga and its tributaries. Now, let us see the map, the river Ganga. Here you can see it is Ganga. Okay, student. So, here in this river, in this river bank, the earliest cities flourish, and in its tributaries called the Sun. In ancient times, the area along the rivers and the south of Ganga was known as Magadha. Its rulers were very powerful and set up a large kingdom. Kingdoms were set up in other parts of the country as well. Throughout, people traveled from one part of the subcontinent to another. The hills and high mountains, including the Himalayas, desert, river, and seas, made journeys dangerous at times, but never impossible. So, men and women moved in search of livelihood and also to escape from natural disasters like flood, droughts. Sometimes men march in armies conquering other lands. Besides, merchants traveled with caravans or ships carrying valuable goods from place to place. And religious teachers walked from village to village, town to town, stopping to offer instruction and advice on the way. Finally, some people perhaps traveled driven by a spirit of adventure, wanting to discover new and exciting places. All this led to the sharing of ideas between people. So, why do people travel nowadays? So, look at map once, hills, mountain, and seas from the natural frontiers of the subcontinent. While it was difficult to cross these frontiers, those who wanted could and did scale the mountains and cross the sea. People from across the frontiers also came into the subcontinent and settled here. Okay. So, these movement of people enrich our cultural tradition. People have said new ways of carving stone, composing music, and even cooking food over several hundreds of years. Okay, student. Then we will see names of the land, finding out about the past, and one past or many. Then what do dates mean? Elsewhere. Okay, we will learn from this lesson. So student ମୁଁ ପୁଣି ଥରେ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ମୁଁ କହିଦେବି। ଏଠି ଦେଖ, ଏ ଯେଉଁ ମ୍ୟାପ୍ଟାକୁ ଯଦି ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ଭଲରେ, ଏଠି ଦେଖ ଯେଉଁ ଆମର ଏ ନର୍ଥ ଇଷ୍ଟ ଯେଉଁ ଗାରୋ ହିଲ୍ସ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ନା, ଏ ଗାରୋ ହିଲ୍ସରେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ଏଠି ରାଇସ୍ ଯେଉଁ ଧାନ ଚାଉଳ ଏଠି କ୍ରପ୍ସଟା ମାନେ ସେମାନେ କରିଥିଲେ। ଆଉ ଏଠି ଏ ଯେଉଁ ସୁଲିମିଆ ଏ ଯେଉଁ ନର୍ଥ ୱେଷ୍ଟରେ ନାଇଁ କି, ଏଠି ହ୍ୱିଟ୍ ଦେଖୁଛ ସୁଲେମାନ ଆଣ୍ଡ କିରାଥାର ଏ ଏରିଆରେ। ଓକେ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ, ସ୍ପେସିଆଲି ଏ ଏରିଆରେ ନର୍ଥ ୱେଷ୍ଟରେ ଦେଖୁଛ ନା ସୁଲାମାନ ଆଣ୍ଡ କିରାଥାର। ଏଠି ଏ ମାଉଣ୍ଟେନ୍ ଏରିଆରେ ହ୍ୱିଟ୍ ଆଉ ବାର୍ଲି ଏମାନେ एठी कल्टिवेशन करथिले। पुणी एठी सीप अन्यान्य एनिमल्स मध्य पालन होउथिला। पुणी लोक हंटिंग मध्य करुथिले। गोटे जगार अन्य जगह जा पारथिले। एठी देख पारछो स्टूडेंट बहुत गुड़ाए पहाड़ अच्छी, पर्वत अच्छी, हिमालय रेंज अच्छी। हाँ एठी देखुच ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर, गंगा रिवर, यमुना रिवर, इंदुस रिवर। हाँ एठी तो नर्मदा रिवर, आमर ओडिशार महानदी रिवर देखुच। हाँ गोदावरी इंडिया में देखा तल तल को। तो ये सबू रिवर अच्छी। ए जो सबू इन आमर सबकंटिनेंट रे एते गुड़ाए माने रिवर माउंटेन अच्छी। एटा लोक मानू लाइफ को पुणी प्रभावित करथिला। लोके एठरू गोटे जगार अन्य जगह जाउथिले। जेपरिक एनसिएंट सिटीज इंदुस रे बसी थिला। हाँ आउ पुणी गंगा रिवर बैंक रे बसिला। पुणी लोक गोटे स्थान रू अन्य स्थान को गले। हाँ आमर इंडिया रे माने लोके बहुत गोटे जगह गले माने गाँ सिटी स्थापन कले। सेमानकर लाइफस्टाइल, सेमानकर खाना पीना, सेमानकर ड्रेसिंग, सेमानकर गीत कंपोजिशन, म्यूजिक सबू गुड़ाए जिनस धीरे धीरे माने उन्नति हेबाकू लागिला। माने समय समय रे विभिन्न जिनिस सेमाने डेवलप हेले आ उन्नति हेबाकू लागिले। जगह गोटे जगह ठारू अन्य जगह को जाई पारले। केमिति गले आ केबे गले ए सब विषय आमे एई चैप्टर रे पढ़िबा। ओके स्टूडेंट, तो पुणी आमे एई चैप्टर रे नेम्स ऑफ द लैंड, हाँ जगार ना गुड़ाक, पुणी फाइंडिंग आउट अबाउट द पास्ट, अतीत रे से जगार बा कौन कौन हेइथिला नहीं कि। पुणी एठी वन पास्ट और मेनी माने आमर जो पास्ट अच्छी बहुत अच्छी ना खाली गोटे माने माने अल्प कौन सीमित अच्छी सेटा आमे देखिबा। पुणी व्हाट डू डेट्स मीन, ये जो समय तारीख बा अतीतर जो दिन मास जो तारीख गुड़ाक अच्छी, मास अच्छी, वर्ष अच्छी। हाँ एटा को माने बुझिबा आमे केमिति करागला। ओके, तो आ पुणी अन्य विषय आमे लेसन रे पढ़िबा। तो सेथिपाई मो स्टूडेंट को अपील करुछि एही लेसन को भलो भाबे रीड कर। पुणी जो हार्ड वोकाबुलरी अच्छी, डिफिकल्ट वर्ड निज निज माने आम डिक्शनरी रु बाहर करी ओडिया भाषा रे लिखिबो, पढ़िबो, प्रिपेयर हेबो। पुणी आमे in our next class we will meet again and we will learn much more about this chapter. So take care student and see you in next period. Bye.